Introduction to Spanish Pronunciation. Welcome to the Spanish Pronunciation mini course. In this course, we'll guide you step by step on how to improve your Spanish pronunciation so you can speak more clearly and naturally. We'll cover vowels, consonants, stress, rhythm, and more. Let's get started. Why pronunciation matters. When you speak Spanish, your pronunciation is the first thing people notice, before they even understand the words you're saying. Clear pronunciation makes native speakers understand you faster, and it helps you avoid those moments where they switch to English because they think it'll be easier for you. Good pronunciation also builds your confidence. When you know you're saying words correctly, you don't second guess yourself. You just speak. And here's something most people don't realize. The better you can pronounce Spanish, the better you can hear Spanish. Your brain starts to recognize the sounds faster, so you understand native speakers more easily. So improving your pronunciation isn't just about sounding nice. It's about being understood, feeling confident, and unlocking faster progress in your Spanish. Spanish versus English sounds. Now let's look at some key differences between Spanish and English sounds. First, Spanish is a lot more consistent. In English, a letter can have many different sounds. Think of the A in cat, cake, and car. In Spanish, each vowel has only one sound, and it never changes. That means once you learn it, you've got it for life. Second, Spanish is a phonetic language. This means if you can read it, you can pronounce it. No silent letters hiding everywhere. Well, except for the silent H, which we'll cover later. Third, some consonants are totally new or have a twist. For example, the rolled R, the ñ sound, and how the letter J is pronounced more like a strong H in English. And finally, rhythm and stress are different. Spanish words flow in a steady, even beat, while English has more of a stressed, uneven rhythm. Mastering that flow will make you sound much more natural. By the end of this mini course, you'll understand these differences, and you'll be able to use them to make your Spanish sound clear, confident, and authentic. Before we dive in, here's how the course is laid out, so you always know what's coming next. We'll use Latin American pronunciation as our baseline, and I'll point out regional variations when it matters. Lesson 1, Introduction and Course Outline. What pronunciation is, why it matters, and how to get the most from this mini course. Lesson 2, Spanish Vowels. The 5 pure vowel sounds, a, e, o, u. Short, steady, and consistent. No English-style glides. Lesson 3. Consonants that are different or tricky. The R versus the double R, the ñ, the double L, and the Y. The J, the G and C, hard versus soft. The B and the V, the silent H, the X, and the Z. How to say them clearly with quick drills. Lesson 4. Stress and accent marks. Where the emphasis goes. How written accents guide stress, and how that can change meaning. Lesson 5. Intonation and rhythm. The melody of Spanish and its syllable-timed rhythm. How questions, statements, and WH questions actually sound. Lesson 6. Practice and tips to improve. Common mistakes. Daily practice routines. Shadowing and quick wins to level up your accent. Lesson 7. Regional pronunciation differences. Spain's TH for Z and soft C, and Argentina and Uruguay's SH and ZH for double L and Y. What to expect and what to choose. Lesson 8. How words blend in real speech. Connected speech. why como estás can sound like como estás, plus clear versus natural practice. Each lesson is short, focused, and includes repeat after me practices. Stick with me through all 8, and by the end, you'll not only know the rules, you'll sound more natural in real conversations. Let's get started.